Ramogi TV, Migori.
Erokamano Juma, Jagoro mongirore migao mar gedo mag udi Charles Hinga osingoni chenro mar gedo mar udi ma piny owacho obiro loyo dwaro ma jopiny nigo.
Hinga moloso romo mobagi Naivasha malalo kewi gedo mar udi owacho ni lek mar piny owacho en neno ni nengo udi obedo manyangafu ne jopiny.
Romono en mar lalruok ewi kaka inyalo ketie tim chenro mar gedo udi mar kendo ni oganda otiyo gi omenda manok e bedo gi udi e bwo chenro no.
Just to finish and people to move in and to take care of them very we really need to think about, because this design works where we have
reach out to contractors who are registered in the MCA, them on the same. Then we also have induction process training. They provide.
We actually want to cost this thing publicly. And the cost that we are going to, publicly, we are going to publish it and then we are going to review it 1 year from now. We want to be an open book, okay? This is the cost, okay? If anything changes because materials have increased, we have what we call an index, a building index. The prices of commodities that we're using, like cement, goes lower, or the taxes should be reduced, or other incentives that can help reduce the cost of construction.